Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a flip through of the latest release from Mythographic series of books. If you are new to adult coloring or you don't know what Mythographic is, this is kind of a series of books. However, they have different artists that contribute. There's two that are my favorite. So this is not one of them. This is actually one that's new to me. And I thought I'd give you a little flip through. So this is Mythical Beasts. The artist's name I am so gonna butcher. I want to say you say it Veronica, because Veronica would be weird, right? So I'm gonna say Veronica Korilynska. If I butchered it, I'm so sorry. I did warn you. All right, let's take a look. So the thing I like about all Mythographic books is that it's on nice thick paper, perforated edges, single-sided so you can use markers. And now we're just going to enjoy the artwork. Ooh, that's really tedious there. In fact, I'm gonna zoom in a little more. A lot going on in there. Pages are thick. That would be a fun one, actually. Interesting. It's like a Godzilla crab version. Ooh, that would be a fun one to color. Alright. I'm curious how many of you pre-ordered this. I've just been putting books on pre-order, and then I get all sorts of happy dance when they come. It's an odd one. Oh, that would be fun to color. In pastels. Not pastels as in the medium pastels, but pastel colors. This is giving me deja vu for some reason. I can't picture why though. That is very pretty, but very detailed. Well, that's one that would be really fun. Pinks and blues and oranges. Like I said, this isn't an artist I'm familiar with. I usually have Fabiana Attanasio or Joseph Kattenbang, so this artist is a little bit different for me, and so is the style. Interesting. Actually, really like that one. That's pretty cool. Creepy, but cool. That would be a fun one right there. I could totally do that one. Some of these pages I feel like, well, to just be honest, if a little bit was taken away, it would make these pages even better. This is like a circus pop-up tent with a stage in the middle of a jungle with a three-headed peacock? Chicken? I'm not really sure. Yeah, but yeah, I just feel like if they removed just a few elements, these pages would like rocket. And some of them I'm just kind of like, ooh, this is pretty though. This is gorgeous. You could do this all in blues and oranges. But yeah, like this page, for example, is just kind of wacky. That's a cool one there. This one I would dig. It's kind of like a mixture. Oh, I like this one. This would take forever though. There's so much detail. Not that that's a bad thing. It's just if you're impatient. This would be one where you'd have to take snack breaks. Oh, not feeling that one. Yeah, it's just something about a lot of these pages. Overcomplicated, I guess is what I'm going for. But that could be the artist's style. I'm not crapping on that. And yes, I did just say I'm not crapping on that. But like even this one, I get it, it's the constellation, but yeah, I'm not really feeling that page. And these all these double and triple headed animals. This could be a cool one. Blacks, purples, some dark navies. That could be wicked. That is interesting. If interesting is the right word there. This is a scorpion tail on a lion with a man's face. And that's it. Well, I'll be honest with you. I'm gonna return this. I'm always honest on my channel. If I flip through a book and I can't pick out at, you know, a good majority of the pages in the book that I would color, and I think there was maybe 5 that caught my eye, 6 maybe, I don't know. You can go back and count. Then I would return it, because otherwise I'm not going to keep this book, which I think was like $15 or $17 for those whopping pages. But this artist's style is just not for me. It's overcomplicated. And while there's plenty of mythographics out there with very complicated pages, it's just the vibe of them. So man, I could totally put that in my pile of next year's regrets, but then I wouldn't be able to get a refund. So I personally am returning this one. I'm not super impressed, but I would love to know if you bought it, if you regretted it, or you love it. Let me know. I always like to know. We're all so different. I do these flip throughs to show you the book. I share my opinion, but my opinion is not set in stone for the rest of the world. You all are entitled to your own. But yeah, this one is definitely not going to be one for me. It's so sad too, because the cover and stuff is all pretty, but I guess that's what it is. There are more coming out this year though, so keep an eye out for that. And until next time, take care. Bye now.